Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter Kaaf. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter Kaaf. Kaaf is equivalent to the English letter K, or C, when C takes the K sound, as in the word cake. Kaaf. Notice it looks like a backwards L, with a small s inside. Now try to write it with me. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with Kaaf. First, here's the Fathah. The pronunciation now will be ك. Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be ك. And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as ك. Listen again.
ك ك ك.
Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When
Kaaf
is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be
ك.
Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
كلمة
Means word.
ك لي ما هي كلمة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك لي ما هي كلمة.
When
Kaaf
is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
ك.
Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
كيلو
Means kilo.
ك ي لو و كي لو كيلو.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك ي لو و كي لو كيلو.
When
كاف
is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be
كو.
Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
كرة كرة
Means ball.
كرة هي كرة كرة.
Now let's join these letters together.
كرة هي كرة كرة.
The letter
كاف
has 4 possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
كبد
means liver.
ك بي دي كبد.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك بي دي كبد.
And next,
كعب
means heels.
ك عي بي ك بي كعب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك عي بي ك بي كعب.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like
عكس
means reverse or opposite.
ع كي سي عكس.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع ك سي عكس.
And next.
حكم
Means referee.
ح ك م حكم.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح ك م حكم.
When those exception letters come before the letter
كاف
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
شركة
means a company.
ش ر ك هي شركة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ر ك هي شركة.
And next.
كوكب
Means planet.
ك و ك بي كوكب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك و ك بي كوكب.
Here is how to write the in form. Like.
مفك
Means screwdriver.
مي ف كي مفك.
Now let's join these letters together.
مي ف كي مفك.
And next.
سلك
means wire.
سي لي كي سلك.
Now let's join these letters together.
سي لي كي سلك.
When those exception letters come before the letter Kaaf, it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
شوك
means thistle.
ش و كي شوك.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش و كي شوك.
And next,
محرك
means engine.
م ح ر كي
محرك. Now let's join these letters together.
م ح ر كي محرك.
And next,
شكوك
means doubts.
شو كو و كي شكوك.
Now let's join these letters together.
شو كو كو و كي شكوك.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.